Because episode 1 should be, you pull out your phone, you press record, and say, hey guys, it's Mark. I'm starting a new show. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet. And I'm tired of spending all this time thinking about stupid names. So I'll figure out what I'm going to call it later. I'm starting this new show. It's going to be about telling people's journeys and their come-ups and trying to share advice and wisdom. And I'm super scared about doing this because I tried a whole bunch of other things that haven't worked out yet. But hopefully this is the one that lets me win because I'm tired of being a corporate drone and I need to escape. And hopefully if I figure that out, you guys can learn with my journey too, and you guys can go off and build something amazing. So there you go, episode 1. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you soon. Post, right? Like that's episode 1. 45 seconds or 2 minutes. I don't know how long I talked there, but like that should be episode 1. And then you make it better because maybe you filmed that when it was windy outside and there was all sorts of, a bug flew in your face or whatever, right? Like you record and you get it up there, because I think it's great to be able to look back on the archive. Episode 1 should suck.
Right.
Because what's your message to people? Only create when it's perfect? Right? That's not the message that you're trying to say. So why is that? And not you, Mark, like everybody. This is everybody, right? All the ideas that you're thinking on, you're sitting on, you're dreaming on one day, right? Your message to your kids is not going to be wait until it's perfect. Wait till you have it all figured out. Wait till you have the great name before you launch. Your message to them is going to be put it up, start, create momentum, like let's go. So your first episode should suck. Because you don't want people to look back on your thing to say, well, look at you, Mark. Like when you started, you had everything all set up. You had everything perfect, right? So people should be able to go back to episode 1 and see how crappy it is. Like I think if episode 1 doesn't suck, then you suck as a human because you waited like way too long to actually get it going.
Thanks for watching Mark's SAVANT Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark's SAVANT Media.